So, another day on the Datsun, referring to the Hayes repair manual. And we're going to be removing, apparently it's called, the master cylinder. So, as you can see, having a right good nosy at this and working out how to take it off so we can repair it and complete the strip down for the sandblasting. As you can see, guys, another day in paradise. Onto the Z. It's freezing, but I need to get this master cylinder off, ready for, oh, switch the lights on, ready for full strip down so we can get it sanded down. Let's have a look. Well, this is what we're referring to. A little bit crusty, but nothing that can't be sorted. So we've already stripped down all the front of the unit off, and now unfortunately we've got to try and get off the bits at the back, which are right underneath the steering column, which is a bit of a nightmare, but we'll see how we get on. So I'm going to have to take the steering column off to get the master cylinder out, which is underneath the dashboard. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare. See, these bolts are massively too long, and I put these in temporarily. At last. So, I'm gonna get the compressor, I think. I'm spending far too long manually doing these bolts. So much quicker. Should have left those bolts in first. Now we're talking. always put this on just in case, because I've stripped so many bolts as it is because of the age of the car. Anything I can do for damage limitation. I'm not as good as my LOL torch, are you? No. That one's spinning. That one's spinning. Brilliant. So we're just going to do this. You don't have sound editing in a race car. Stupid thing. Great though. Solid firewall. That's the one thing I really didn't want to have to replace them. I think we got away with murder there. Well, there's a lot of corrosion down this side, as you'll see on the pillar. The seal's completely gone on the windscreen, which has allowed water to get in here. This is all repairable, but the downside is that it must have tracked down here. I think it's corroded a lot of the screws and the bolts, so pretty much they're just, all of them are seized. Get rid of all this mess. Not designed well for taking out these, are they? We'll have to get some better form of light, I think. Hopefully this is cutting the mush, you know. Getting there though, we're getting there, slowly but surely. So, just trying to make sure that I don't lose any of the washers. I'm replacing a lot of the bolts on this, but I'm logging everything I take off. Bagging it, tagging it. Where's the lads when you need them? Fuse box. Do a taking that out, couldn't I? Go back on, lovely. Well, someone will probably tell me on the comments, guys, I'm doing all this in the wrong order, but the manual tells you to a point, unless you've ever done it before, you just got to sort of work it out. Why am I using this? So stupid. This is an awful job. Awful. I'm losing. So close yet so far. I want to do, as the guys on Juicebox say, rings, lad, rings. What they don't tell you is all this stuff you got to do first. Just having a bit of a vent, but get it done. Get it done. Just got to think, in 12 months' time, this thing will be done. Optimistic that 12 months. Back to the old. I've got to say, the lads on these ones are pretty fucking awesome. Sorry, pardon my language. They are very cool. Not a massive fan of the 86, but I appreciate the car itself, rear wheel drive. Loads of fun. Some amazing, that's just spinning that. There's some amazing ones being done as well. Like Crows. I've had a couple of had a bit of a Honda phase. Wanted a Type R, I couldn't afford one, so I got the Type S. This is basically just a Type R body kit on 1.6 VTEC. Fun car. I don't know what blue was. Type blue. And a 1.4i before that. Civic 392 that one. Yeah. A lot of my mates, like Pete, you'll probably see him some point in the video. He had him and his brother had his brother had a Subaru WRX, and then they both had Evo 4s. And that's sort of pretty much what it got me into all the Japanese car scene, I think, really. Some of the stuff that we used to get up to was great. Off camera for that one. Great fun though, great fun. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a new light. This is driving me nuts. Stupid kids' torch. I've got torches, but every time I give them to the kids, we lose them. This is so rusty. See the manual here, because this is not going to plan. So we got it out at last. So I'm just remembering here, I've got to put the pin back in, because if I don't put the pin back in, I'll lose it. It's out. And pedal rack as well, all out, removed. Fantastic result. What a nightmare that was. These are completely seized, so that's why I'm taking these off. I'm not having the traditional. So this releases the bonnet. I'll be putting a quick release on the actual bonnet. So I'm just going to drill these off, get rid of this, but this part's pretty much done. A couple of bits here and there. That's next. It's covered in 20-year-old mouse poop, but don't want to be breathing any of that mouse poo in, so that's all coming out. The weather's getting a bit bad now, so I'm going to have to wrap this one up. Happy with that. We just got to make sure we finish a few more bits off. But thanks for watching. See you in a bit.